There are times when you want to change the color, line weight, or even the line type of an object on an existing layer without changing its layer. Here's how to work with properties in AutoCAD. You can assign properties such as color and line type to individual objects, or as a default, properties assigned to layers. The Properties is an essential tool. You can see the Properties tab in the ribbon. You can type PROP in the drawing area. Or you can click the tiny arrow in the Properties panel on the Home tab. The Properties palette displays a list of all the important property settings. You can click any of the available fields to change the current settings. If no object is selected, the Properties palette displays the details of the active layer. It changes accordingly as you select another layer to be the active layer. When you select an existing object, it also displays the object's property, such as its layer, color, line weight, and line type. The Properties palette can take up a lot of space. For quick access to the most common properties, use Properties panel. You can click on the current color to select the color you want for the selected object. You can also change the current line weight by scrolling down for more options, or click on the line weight setting to see more. If you want to display a line weight in your drawing, put a check on the Display Line Weight option. Click OK when done. Alternatively, you can type L and W as shortcut keys. Then press the Enter key to display the line weight setting dialog box. Displaying line weight could make your drawing look more complicated. Thus, working with it turned on makes it more confusing. Turning off might be better. You can also change the line type of the object without changing its layer. If the line type is not displayed on the Line Type Manager, click on Load and choose from a wide variety line type. For a fast way to copy the properties of the selected object to the other objects, use the Match Properties tool. It is done by selecting the object. Click on Match Properties on the Properties panel, then select the objects you want to match the properties with. Press the Escape key when you're done. Now that's how you work with properties in AutoCAD.